Question 8. Which of the following correctly shows the path of carbon dioxide before a person breathes out through the nose? Before we talk about breathing out, let's discuss breathing in. How does air enter the body? Air enters the body through the nose. And what structure must it pass through? It will pass through the windpipe. And what structure does it finally reach? Air finally reaches the lungs. And what structure do you find inside the lungs? There are thousands of air sacs in the lungs. Let me draw one of the air sacs here. And what structure surrounds the air sac? You have blood vessel filled with blood. I'm going to draw some circles here to represent the red blood cells in blood. And what happens to the oxygen in the air that enters the air sac? That oxygen passes through the air sac and is absorbed into the bloodstream. And what process is this oxygen used for? The oxygen is transported to all parts of the body through the blood and is used for the process of respiration in the cells. I'm going to use the symbol R for respiration. And oxygen is used for this process. And what is released during respiration? Respiration releases energy and carbon dioxide gas. So now we are able to discuss the path of carbon dioxide when the person breathes out. The carbon dioxide from all the cells enters the bloodstream and is transported to the lungs. So the blood that reaches the lungs here, is that blood rich or poor in carbon dioxide? That blood is rich in carbon dioxide. Let me write that down. The carbon dioxide is going to move out of the bloodstream and into the air sac. And is the carbon dioxide just going to stay in the air sac? No, it won't. It will move out of the lungs, through the windpipe, and out through the nose. So which option correctly shows the path of carbon dioxide that we just discussed? Carbon dioxide moves out of the blood vessel, into the air sac of the lungs, passes through the windpipe before it is breathed out through the nose. So the option that matches this path is option number 4. CO2 from the blood vessels, moving up into the air sac of the lungs before passing through the windpipe and is breathed out through the nose, giving us the answer as number 4.